Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOok 855, and in this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on this laptop. So first thing you have to do is shut down your PC, and once your laptop is shut down, press the power button once, and while it starts, start repeatedly pressing the F2 key and just click it until you see the loading screen. Okay, and right now you'll see the diagnostics screen in front of you. You can select which part of your laptop you want to diagnose. For example, the first option is processor, and first of all, you can navigate in this menu using your down and up arrow keys and select with enter. So let's select the first option, which is processor, using enter key. Then you'll have two options here: processor test and CPU stress test. So for example, let's go with the processor test. Press enter, and now just wait for the process to finish. It will take a couple of seconds, and as you can see, the processor checked has passed, the component test passed. We can return back to the main menu. Now we can scroll down to the memory test, press enter, then wait for the test to finish. I think it's gonna take some time. Okay, let's select a different test because this one takes half an hour. To exit the process, press escape. Now you can let's go with the battery test. In the power tests, we can select battery test. So basically, all you have to do is just select the component that you want to check, and see the on the next window, on the next screen, you'll see the test results. Here you can also go either to the main menu using your right arrow key to navigate to this option, or see the battery details. For example, let's see them. Now, as you can see, here are all the details about the battery. So basically that's how you do it. Let's return back to the main menu. Let's go run the keyboard test, for example. So open the keyboard test and press continue by pressing enter. And in the keyboard test, just press any key that you would like to test and see if they work. And don't press the functional keys because they will do something else instead. They actually are the only keys that work in this mode. Okay. If you want to cancel the test, press F2 key. And that's basically how you diagnose your PC. And once you're happy with the results, press exit using enter, and then click navigate to yes when you see Auto Sure screen to confirm, and then just press enter again to continue booting up into Windows. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.